So now we're back. I'm just trying to cut the line that's on the actual truck so I can get the right sizing. Yeah, it's all about access. Once you can access it and stuff like that, you should be able to all right, so this is the actual piece and it's leaking from around this section here, and this is a used piece. I always cut them off and keep them. This is what I'm doing. So this is how it's supposed to look. Now we're gonna put it back in like that. All right, once it's there, we drop this piece in there like so, and then I just weld it, and that's it. But first we gotta take out the service valve, the shredder valve, so that we don't melt that out because of the heat. And then once I'm ready to weld again, I'll see you guys on the next one.